In this video show you Samsung Phone Factory Reset Guide to resolve lag, system errors and performance issues. A factory reset restores your device to original settings, removing apps, files and personal data. Before starting, ensure you backup important data using Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Now follow the step-by-step process. Open settings from your app drawer or quick panel. Scroll and tap General Management, then select Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset to view all data that will be erased, including accounts, apps, and system settings. Tap Reset at the bottom to proceed carefully. After confirmation, enter your PIN, password, or pattern for security verification. If linked to a Samsung account, sign in again. Finally, tap Delete All to begin the reset. The device will reboot and return to factory condition. This process helps improve speed, fix software glitches, and optimize overall performance. For best results, make sure your phone battery is at least 50% before starting the reset process to avoid interruptions. A factory reset is recommended when your Samsung device becomes slow, freezes frequently, or experiences app crashes. This method removes all corrupted files and restores system stability. However, it is important to remember that all personal data will be permanently deleted, so a backup is essential. After reset, you will need to set up your device from scratch, including Wi-Fi, Google account, and Samsung services. If issues continue after reset, consider updating the software or visiting an authorized Samsung service center for further assistance. Always follow official instructions to ensure safety and avoid data loss issues during the reset process for optimal device performance improvement across all Samsung devices smoothly.